If your message sounds fine to you, but keeps landing wrong, this check fixes that. This is for anyone whose messages come off sharper than intended. Tone drift is easy to miss when you're close to the message. So check it before sending. Try this. I'm going to tell AI to review this message for tone escalation or unintended sharpness. Suggest neutral wording without changing the meaning. Now I'll share the message. Notice what changed. AI didn't soften the facts. It adjusted how they land. That's the payoff. When tone is checked, messages land cleaner, friction drops, and intent stays intact. You stay in control. AI just checks the edges. This video starts the AI Made Easy Smart Message Checks series. If this helped, share it with someone whose messages are often misunderstood. Quick reminder, this content is for educational purposes only. Always use your own judgment when applying AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.